But this guy, I don't know. He just told me to come and take my test. Why? He just called me just not long ago. Why? But this number just called me not long ago. Why? Switch off. No. Damn. No. So these guys are trying to play games with me. I don't understand, no. But I'm here with the money. Sola! Like seriously? Oh. I see. He's trying to play smart on me. I have to deal with this thing.
Everywhere I go.
Mr. Slim, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Slim, the main reason why we call you here this afternoon is that we have a deal to do, a very great deal to do, me and my guy AJ. And looking at the deal, we need a backup.
Okay, you need backup?
Yes, we need backup.
Tell me more about the deal.
Well, okay, let me break it down. The deal is, we are going in for the statue from these guys,
Solar
and
Iron Body. Yes.
And you know, those guys are very dangerous. That's why we need a backup.
Yes.
And I know that you can help us.
Okay, I'll do it.
That's good.
If there is money inside.
Okay.
Okay.
I've got you.
Please come down.
Hey, Miss Sola, I'm smarter than you guys. You can run, but you can't hide. Hey, let me tell you one thing. Hey, I kill your partner.
What? You kill Bedman?
Yes, I killed Bedman.
It's money we are all looking for. Bro, just calm down. Don't shoot me. Let's sit and talk about it, please.
Because of you are going to die and you are here telling me we are all looking for money. Hey.
It's not like that.
Shut up. Hey, let me tell you one thing. I need that statue.
Bro. You need money. I also need money. So let's sit down and talk about it.
Or else you are going to die.
Please don't shoot.
Bedman! AJ!
You're still alive!
I'm alive!
My brother.
Yeah, bro.
How far?
Cool.
You remember that day you told me about the alleged fire people?
Yeah. The statue.
Yeah, that's why I'm here. I know that money counts. You want to give me something. Because you know that you are my brother. Eh?
So when I understand you need money.
Yeah.
You to cry, you need money too much.
Why?
You need money too. Every day send me money. Send me this. Why?
You know you are my brother now.
Now who told you we are getting the money?
Why?
The statue is still here. I hide it here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, the statue is here. Yeah, so money no day.
Okay.
You have to go, okay?
No problem. Okay.
Yeah.
My brother, you told me that you hide it here, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't take it from there because
No.
when somebody sees it, it will come a different thing.
No one can see it.
Okay.
So no problem.
But let me tell you something. When the money comes, just call me and give me something.
Listen, you know you are my brother. And
that-
I trust you. The money is ready, I'll call you.
Okay. Fire.
Boy. Who mentioned my name?
Oh, I know your name long time.
You know me long time.
I know it.
Boy. What do you want from me?
Let fire. I have good news for you.
Chai. Marana what? Namokuko.
Yes.
Huh? You have good news for me?
Yes.
Why did you do that? You shouldn't have done that. You have shown your friend where the statue is. Never trust him, man. Because your best friend also have another friend. You get what I'm saying? I'm too angry this morning. My nigga.
Bedman.
You shouldn't have done that.
Bedman.
Nigga, what's up?
Listen, just calm down. And you know that I'm okay. It's my friend.
What news?
You are mixing statue. I know that you are looking for your statue.
Hey, boy. Don't joke with me.
I like fire. I'm not joking. I'm telling you the truth.
Who told you? Say my statue has got missing.
I like fire. I know it a long time.
Wow.
I know that you are looking for it.
Yeah.
So I know the place your statue is. When you give me money, I will go collect and bring to you.
Boy, do you want to tell me, say, you know that place my statue day?
Yes. All is I need money. When you give me money, I will go collect and come and give you. I swear.
You see, I have already told him everything about the deal. He knows the deal. And I trust him. He's my friend. And why are you angry with me like that? What is your problem? Bro, just calm down.
You shouldn't have done that, my nigga. Show him the statue. Why? You yourself, do you trust yourself?
Oh, bro, just calm down.
I'm just reminding you, your best friend also has another friend.
Don't worry about that, okay?
You don't know me. You don't know me.
So now, go and bring my statue. If you bring my statue, I will allow you to mention any money you want.
Are you sure?
I can see the atmosphere is cool right now. So, tomorrow morning, we should take the statue to Alaji Fire's house.
Very good.
You get me?
Yeah. That's why we have to say now, you stand here saying why you told your friend about the statue.
You are joking? Are you sure?
You said you know me already. I don't like.
Oh, I like the fire. Don't worry. I will bring it. Now.
Now.
Yo, my brother AJ. Bad man. Yo, bro, bad man. Yes, I'm okay, I'm rich. Yes, I'm.
go get a statue so that you go to Alaji Fire's house. But you know that yesterday I told you that you'll be going there with the statue, so go get it. What are you waiting for? Be fast, stand up. You want to speak in long, nigga? What kind of talking with that, Wahala? Where is the statue? Can't you talk? Nigga, talk, I'm here.
The thing is, statue is not there.
What?
Yes.
You mean the statue is not there?
Yeah.
How?
You see it? Hey, God,
The thing is not there.
I told you.
I am suspecting one person. Your friend Ambokin. The thing is with Ambokin. Because he knows the deal we are doing. No one knows.
Bedman.
It's with Ambokin. I'm suspecting him.
Okay. You are right. If Amoken is the one who stole the statue, that means human beings are not to be trusted.
Like I said earlier.
Let me tell you something. Amoken, you can run, but you can never hide. We will get it back. Trust me.
You should have listened to me, bro.